Review topic 26, valence electrons. This is the last one in this section, but more to come later. Let's get to it. All right, valence electrons are the electrons in the outermost energy level. They have the most energy. So when we look at the periodic table at the electron configurations, the last number is the number of valence electrons. So that's easy. Carbon would have 4, fluorine would have 7. In the Bohr model, the valence electrons are in the outermost circle, the outermost energy level. So they're still in the same location. It's just represented differently. In an electron dot diagram, we represent those valence electrons with dots. And we imagine, remember, the element in a box and add the correct number of dots to represent the valence electrons. Helium being the one weird exception where we're going to add 2 dots together, which indicates they aren't going to be bonding. Normally, this would be 2 dots on each side, okay? Because the general rule is every side gets a dot before we double up. So if you are asked to draw a Lewis dot, it should look nothing like this. This is what it should look like, okay? On the periodic table, that's the easiest. It's just the last number. Okay, that's it. That's valence electrons.